All right, dolls, so we're just going to jump right into this. What I'm doing now is just applying mascara on my lower lashes as well as my top lashes. It really doesn't matter what mascara you use. You can use your favorite mascara, but just so you dolls know, the mascara that I am using is from Nabla Cosmetic, and it's the Major Pleasure Mascara. Alright, so the lashes that I'll be using today is from Battington Beauty, and these are the Harlow 3 Silk Lashes, and inside it also comes with a glue. What I'm doing now is actually measuring the lash to my lash line. A lot of lashes do come a little bit too long for me, so what I'm going to do is just cut the extra that's on the end. When you're cutting your lashes, always make sure you cut from the end and not the inner corner, because if you cut from the inner corner, you're actually cutting away those shorter lashes, and it will kind of irritate your inner corner eye and also your nose. So right now you see me adding the lash glue onto my false lashes. Now, as the lash glue is drying on my false lashes, I will be applying more of that lash glue on my lash line. If you're doing a makeup look, kind of like mine's, where it's a natural look and you didn't use a liner, then I would recommend using a clear lash glue. But if you do have like a black wing line or a black liner, then at that point you can use a black lash glue. I wouldn't recommend doing a black lash glue with this look, because then it'll be very, very noticeable. Alright, dolls, so I'm sure you can see that I got some lash glue in my lashes. So it's okay. What I'm going to do is take my mascara and kind of brush it out, and then we're going to wait. So at this point, we're just going to wait until the lash glue dries down. When you're using clear lash glue, of course, it comes out white, as you can see, and then when it dries down, it's going to be more of a clear form. But if you're using black lash glue, you really won't be able to see the dry down process. But if you just wait, like I would say about a minute, then you know that it's dry enough to proceed with applying your lashes. Now you can see the lash glue is clear. You may have like a little bit of white patches in there. That is okay. You can still go ahead and apply your lashes. Now at this point, you're going to apply your lashes. Once you apply your lashes, they are on there. You do not have to worry about that slip and slide that you get. That is very beginner friendly. I know that issue right there is the main reason why I kind of like deterred from wearing false lashes, because it's always slipped and slide, and then like my inner corner or outer corner of the lashes will always lift. But this method here, you will not have any issues with lifting on any corners of the lashes, and then they're on there. But if you do need to move them, just like you see me doing now, you can kind of pick it up and move it to where you need to. It's just going to be really tacky. Now going over the same steps we did before to apply the second lash, and now we have on falsies. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Thank you dolls for watching, and remember, you're made for more. Bye.